see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Geraldine Cruzada,
Geraldine Cruzada,
Jennifer Onating,
Jennifer Unati,
Maria,
Maria,
Laila,
Laila,
Galusa,
Gulusa,
or Galuso,
Magluso,
Mary Grace,
Mary Grace,
Iranzo,
Uranso,
Angelo,
Anila,
Jace,
Jace,
Blitzer.
Lisa, Lisa. Hi guys, you do this challenge.
This is not challenge. Every time na umupo sila dito, akala nila challenge.
Challenge and it's mine and
It's not challenge, Baba. It's what we're gonna do today. Oh, say hi muna. Say hi.
Hi guys. Today we're doing the Filipino
Snacks. So, papatry ko sa kanila yung mga Filipino snacks. Yung iba dito, na-try na nila nung nasa Philippines kami. Pero ipaparate natin sa kanila kung ilang bang ang ibibigay nila. 5 is the highest. 4 is okay. 3 is alright. Then 2,
I'm not sure.
not sure.
And 1, you don't like.
I don't like. Okay, so yan ang gagawin namin. Eto, may isang box kami dito. Kung maalala nyo, nung pumunta dito sila Race, nung January, ano na ngayon, April. Ito yung binigay niya sa amin na, ayun, hindi ko lang makikita. Ayan. Ayan, ang daming snacks. Yung iba dito nakain, Baba, be quiet. Yung iba dito nakain ko na kasi yung binigay ni Race is tigda-dalawa. So, nung nag-e-edit ako, kinain ko na yung yung mga ibang snacks. So, ngayon, ipapatry natin sa mga Baba, be quiet or you're out here. Are you gonna listen to Mama? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So, maglilisten na raw
I
siya.
love you, Mom.
I love you too. So, nasaan na yung gunting? May gunting ako dito. Wait, kunin ko muna yung gunting. Diba? Eto, may gunting tayo. And, nung pagpunta rin namin kila Race, nung January, kailan ba yun? When did we go to Tita Race? Basta yung, na-vlog na yung guys. Yeah, Tito Dan's house. Binigyan din kami ni Race na iba-ibang klase ng lemon square na mga cakes. Ayan, yung iba paubos na. So, eto yung iba. May mga natira pa naman. So, kinuha ko yung iba-ibang flavors. So, meron tayo ditong butterscotch. And then, meron na, what's this, kuya?
Classic brownies.
Classic brownies. And meron din tayong double chocolate. Yung mayroon siyang, cream sa loob na chocolate. Tapos, what's this, kuya?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. And, what's this?
Lava cake.
Lava cake. So, ipaparate natin to sa kanila. So, what do you wanna eat first?
Lava cake.
Okay, lava cake.
I'll eat. It's not my hair.
No, you go. I try
It's
this.
my hair.
Oh, what happened to your hair?
Stupid.
Oh my God.
Do I eat it?
Yeah, of course. Go.
Now?
Yeah. Try it now and pass
Only
it.
one more.
Pass it to...
Mom,
And
only
yes, after that, Baba, yes. After you have to rate this first. Okay, you're out. Okay. Okay, you're done, Holly.
No.
Okay, you try that first.
No.
Yes, we're gonna try that. You gonna try this? Like Kuya? Tingnan nyo. Ayan na lang yung natira. Okay, Saka, what you gonna say about the lava cake?
5, I like it.
5. How about you, Kuya? 5. How about you? Copycat to eh. Do you wanna drink first?
I want to wash it down.
No, you wanna wash it down. Wash it down. Okay, wash it down. And what's next? What's next?
I want
This one, because we're gonna try this anyway, all of this. So, next is yung butterscotch. Eto. So, nagustuhan nila yung lava cake. Si Jan favorite niya rin yung lava cake. Pero yung isa, yung fudgy bar, ang gustong-gusto niya talaga. Akin na. Kumuha muna ako ng wipes kasi si Holly. Oh, okay? Are you done? Butterscotch. Okay, try Sak. Hurry up because we have a lot to try.
Mine.
Yeah, wait. Kuya
You're
Sak.
next, Bubs.
You're next.
Five.
You like this?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Papa, we have more here. 5. How you gonna rate this, Holly? 4, 5, 3. 5? Alright. Next is, eto.
You didn't do it.
Ah, sorry. Kuya, how you gonna rate it? 5? Are you sure?
I like it.
You like it? And then, double chocolate yung next. Yung dream. Ayan. Meron siyang ano. Meron siyang, ayan. Meron etong. Buksan ko lang para makita niyo. Ayan. Hindi ko lang kung makita niyo. Basta meron siyang feeling sa loob. Wait, oh, here's Sak. Oh, sorry. Okay, open your mouth. Baba, slowly, Baba, here. Here, there, bite. No, you got mess, sorry. Ayaw niyang messy. Ano? 5? You sure? Gusto niyo?
I love it.
You love it? Okay.
Mom.
Mauubos na rin kasi yung ano dito. 5 daw yung rate nila. And next is yung classic brownies. Ayan. Ito yung lemon square na brand.
I eat this. That's this, Bubsy.
So, Mo, are you alright? You wanna drink? Wash it down. Wait, cover your mouth when you cough.
She's a pretend.
Just pretending. Okay, we got more. Hala, ang tagal nitong ano natin. Okay, what's next? Ito nga, ano pala to? Yung classic na brownies. Okay, Holly, yeah, try that first. Binabaon din nila to, right? You bring this at school. Ito yung 5? Wow, si Sak 5. Drink, okay.
Brownie.
Mom, you like it? You like it? You sure?
All of them.
You like all of them?
But
Ako
we
gusto ko, ang
have to
favorite
try
ko
the
ito.
cheesecake.
And ito yung cheesecake. Ito yung favorite ko sa
Mommy,
lahat.
this is tea.
Ayan, yung ano lang. Ayan. Yeah, more. Ito yung cheesecake. Okay.
I want more.
Bye.
Cheesecake.
Okay, come on. Bite. That's why I'm putting my hand here. It's not gonna be messy.
There's crumbs.
Yeah, there's crumbs. 5. Grabe sila, oh. Mata sila mag-rate. Oh, lemon square, oh. 5. 4. Kay Kuya, 4. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3.
That's not
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 3. Kay Holly, 3. Show it, Baba, show.
What does 3 mean?
3 is,
Okay.
it's alright.
Not bad.
2 is not bad. Okay, 3 kay Holly. So, ayan. Tapos na namin tong cakes. So, next is
The
chips.
Yes.
Yung chips, okay baby, wait. Ang chips, hindi ko yung papakainin sa kanila lahat ha. Try lang din. Unahin na natin yung clover. Yung chips na clover na barbecue flavor. Ayan. Nakain ko na nito yung isa.
Mom, it says Bob.
Say thank you to Tita Reyes.
Thank you, Tita Rice.
Oo, ngayon lang namin ito makakain.
Mom, it says,
Sila pala.
it says barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue flavor corn snack. So, ayan. Ay. Smell. Ito, hindi pa nila ito natatry.
Oh, yummy.
Hindi pa nila ito natatry talaga. Ito. Wait.
Wait,
Okay, Zach. This is like first time nila to.
Yum.
Ito gusto ko to. Five? Ang sarap.
Mama.
Mm.
I'll take this.
We have more. No, not too much sauce because we have more to try.
I didn't get the taste.
Meron
So
tayo.
good.
Gusto kong bumili yung ano pang sealed. Hindi pa nakakabili nun. No, we have more, Papa. Not too much. No, that's enough because we have more to try. We have more to try.
Good, Baba. So would I be full?
Yeah, you're gonna be full. Next is Chippy.
Huh?
Chippy.
Oh.
Chippy. Barbecue also.
Oh. Is it gonna be spicy? Does it say spicy?
It doesn't say spicy. It's
No,
not
it's not.
spicy. Dalawa. Kinakain ko na yung isa nung madaling araw na nag-edit ako.
One of the cracker prawns is spicy.
Yeah, that
One
one's
of them.
spicy.
That's the only one spicy.
Do you want to wash it down so you can...
Nah.
Wash it down so you will taste...
thirsty.
You're not first. Ang tawag niya sa thirsty. Thirsty.
Mama.
Yeah, wait. Wash it down so you can taste it better. Kasi barbecue din to eh. Okay, wait.
No.
Okay, Saki. Smell first. Smell. How's the smell?
Good.
Okay, wait. Wait for your turn. Ala, hindi na siya nakaupo. Si Holly hindi na nakaupo. Just ang bilis. First time na...
Spicy.
It's not spicy. Why it's 5?
I like it, all of them.
You like it? This is your first time. You like it?
I still like it, how it
Gusto ko tong chip na. Oh, gusto na yung isa nito. Harap. One more.
I like that.
You like it? Ipit ulit. Ayan. And next is Nova.
What's that?
Nova. Hindi pa nila ito na-try. Ito yung country cheddar flavor. Ayan. Hindi pa nila ito na-try. Ito, hindi ko pa ito na-try kasi dalawa pa to.
Is it barbecue?
Dalawa pa to.
Mom, is it barbecue?
Ito, dalawa? Nasaan yung isa? Akala ko dalawa yan. Dalawa. Pareho lang yung ano niya, flavor. Oh.
There's two?
Yeah. Because teachers gave us 2 of each.
What do we like it?
Yeah,
If we like it. Mom, it says tea.
Yeah, it's alright. Okay, smell. Smell. So, ano to? Cheddar to. Cheddar. Ako muna.
Let Mom go first. I got this one. Oh.
Masarap. Masarap din siya. First time ko, ang gusto ko rin nito yung original.
Actually, spicy. Spicy. I got two.
Masarap. Masarap to, guys.
Mom, 4.
Wait.
What?
Yummy?
Mom, Holly went 4.
4 for you, Baba? 4? 4 daw kay Holly.
5 for me. 5.
5 for me.
Oh my gosh.
Next is cheese ring. Ayan. Cheese ring. Hindi rin nila ito na-try. Yung isa na ubos ko na. Alam nyo na.
Cheesy. Because
Cheese flavor. Okay. Smell. Uy, napaka-cheesy niya. Oh, tingnan nyo yung loob. Yummy daw sa ni Holly. Oh, wait, mommy first.
Holly, I haven't tried it yet. I just tried it.
Sarap to. Wait, Baba. Wait for your turn. Napaka-cheesy. Kaya naubos ko yung isa nito.
No, I haven't tried two. I don't want one. I'm kidding.
Why 5, sir?
5. I don't like it all the time.
This is your first time. You haven't tried this before.
Mom, I like it. Mom.
5? No, tell them. 5 raw to, oh.
Hey, Mom, when I was a boy Valentine's. So we didn't watch the boy Valentine's, so we already tried it.
Yeah. Favorite nila. Pahuli ko yung favorite nila.
You see too.
What's this, Kuya?
Crunchy chocolate.
Ayan. Crunchy chocolate.
Caramel cookie.
Dalawa rin itong binigay ni Ray, so hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan.
Mom, it says caramel. No, it says
There's a caramel, but this is choco.
you like chocolate?
Yeah, Opo, ikaw ba?
Mama, Holly might like this because she's had it. She likes chocolate. I just smell it.
Ayan, yung movie, guys. Ayan.
I just smell.
Okay, Sak, uy. Tingnan yung laman. It smell, honey, Zachary. What's the smell?
Good.
Good. Okay. Wait. Kuya, Sak first. Oy. Kuya, wait for your turn. Or you're out. You wanna be out?
Now Holly's turn.
Only one, please.
You'll get one here. But that's too much.
Oy, Kuya, Sak, that's too much.
I love it.
Sarap. Pwede ko maubos yung isa. Sorry, guys. Sarap. Ako, hindi ako mabili na snacks dito sa Australia. Kung bumili naman ako, minsan lang, pero linalagay ko siya sa pinakataas ng pantry kasi para alam ko kung ilan na yung nakakain nila. Harap nito.
I love all of them. Yeah, this set, the one I didn't try yet.
Wala ba ba?
And the boom bower.
Harap. Wala, nakaka-addict to. Parang ayaw ko ng pigilan din.
Mom. Hollywood,
Ako din.
4.
4 kay Holly
I thought
daw.
Hollywood like it.
Yaman.
It's good.
Oh. Later na, Baba.
Amika.
Ang sarap nito. Oy, Baba. Okay, there's more here. Next is
Baba.
chicharon. Favorite nila to. Pero iparate pa rin natin sa kanila.
I like this. I like. Wait.
Dalawa rin to. Naubos ko na yung isa.
Mom.
I know. With what? With With what? Suka. Walang suka,
Oh.
Anything. Oh, spicy. This is spicy. Yung isa hindi. Regular lang yung... Spicy, Baba?
Mom. What up?
Spicy.
I like spicy.
You like. Tell them I like spicy. Say it.
You like spicy.
Huh?
Spicy.
You like spicy?
Mom, I'm gonna eat it all. It is hot and spicy.
Buti na
Why
sa...
making me cry?
Yummy? Harap sa aking pie.
Look good.
Huh?
Look good.
No,
I'm not hot.
Harap.
Five.
Good. Even it's spicy? You like it?
It nearly made me cry
Why?
because it's so spicy. Put some water, please.
Harap? Huh? Mama? Hoy, Kuya, just do one. Just a little bit. You have more.
It's making my tongue burn.
Harap?
Oh no, it's not spicy. I know why Mom likes
it's not spicy now.
because she learned how to eat spicy.
What mommy told you about when you eat spicy more,
Do you like it?
the more you like it. Sabi ko sa
I
kanila,
like spicy.
I do like spicy.
I like spicy. Were you cry when you were little before? No, no spicy.
No more spicy? Maanghang siya, guys. Ayun, no? Pero si Oli kaya. Sarap. That's enough. We have more here.
That's spicy for me. Anymore?
It's not spicy anymore. Ang anghang niya, hindi na raw spicy sabi ni Sat anymore. It's not spicy
Hey,
anymore.
Mom. Holly, is it spicy for you? No.
No?
She hasn't had a drink yet.
Next is Chikat. Ayan. Na-try na nila to, pero ipaparate natin,
Potato chips.
rate natin sa kanila.
Mom, it says potato chips.
Yeah, potato chips, Vika.
Mom,
Oh, sorry.
Mom, it's still hot.
So spicy. Ayan. Nakain ko na yung isa nito.
Mom, another drink, please. Please, please, please.
Wait.
Mom, here.
Ano si Holly, oh? Laban din siya dun sa pork spicy na chicharon. How you gonna rate the chicharon? The other one, the spicy one.
Yum.
Yeah?
I want 5.
5?
I'm going 5 for this one, dear.
5.
I want hopeful. One more.
Get away! Get away!
What's that?
Get away!
Say again.
Get away!
Thank you, Tita Race. Out of nowhere, nag-thank you si Holly, ha?
Get away! Mom, why did they get away?
What's that?
What you said? The get away's house?
Yeah, kasi this Friday, punta kami kay Tita Race. Ang next is, oh, we haven't tried this one. Meron palang ano.
What is it?
Hindi naman natin ito matry. Ito, oh. Ano to? Tomato sauce.
That's
Ito.
spicy.
No, this is for spaghetti.
Wait, Mom, put it in the
Ito,
spaghetti.
Graham. Ayan, hindi
Ma.
namin na-try.
Ma.
Try natin to.
When we make spaghetti, put that sauce in it.
Spaghetti sauce. Yeah,
Yeah, put
okay.
that sauce in it.
Okay, we'll try this one. This is honey.
Mom,
Wait, Baba.
Anisha.
Okay, 1 each. Half lang.
What?
May put sauce?
No, we don't gonna put sauce. Yeah. Ayan, honey. Okay, kuya. Oy, nag-aagaw. Ito, sakto. How is it? Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Yung original lang yung na-try ko nito.
5.
Yum.
5. Mom.
5? Hindi. How are you doing, Baba?
Like half. Mama!
Share.
Shaking.
That's right. Later na to kasi we have more.
Guys, this, oh my god, so.
Next is
Mama, I want my castle. Mama!
Boy Bawa.
Oh, look.
What's this?
Boom power.
Baba, what's... Okay, how you gonna rate this one, Holly? 1?
3, 4.
4. Oh, 4 daw yung yung isang business. Eto, what's this, Holly? Bawa. Favorite nila to. Boy Bawa.
It's garlic flavor.
It's garlic flavor, Baba. Ayan, favorite nila.
That is fun.
No, you're not gonna hold it, Baba. No? Yeah, it's yours later. Okay, we have more there. We have more there, Baba.
Mama?
We have more there, Baba. Favorite cuts ito talaga ni Holly. 5? Okay. Okay, we have more here. We're gonna eat first. 5? What's the taste? What are you eating? Let me see. Oh, wala. Ang dami yung linagay sa ano.
Mahiya.
Sabi ko sana pala, dinat ko yan. I-try pala. Nakalimutan ko. Eto sa plastic. Nabili ko na to sa Filipino store. Kasi, binigyan din ako nito ni Ray. Yung Oishi, naubos ko na. So, ngayon, ipa-rate natin sa mga bata. So, pero eto muna, yung Prima na biscuits. Wala si Holly, oo. Tinambangan niya na yung ano, tinambangan. Hindi niya na binigay sa akin yung buy bawang. Oh, kuya, try this. Favorite ko to.
Naman.
Ang daming asukal, oh.
Yummy. Yummy, Mama. Yum.
Holly, what's your number for this one?
I don't want the number.
What? 5, 4, 3.
5. Say like this. Like this. Because you like it.
Bye.
5. 12? Bago. 4. 4 for top. Hindi masyado gusto niyan. 3. 3. Oh, nag-change 3. Hindi niya masyadong gusto. Kung gusto ko pa, habang mo.
Holly.
You take it first.
Eat this.
Try this first.
No. What? 5 or 4?
1.
I did 4.
Why is it?
You say 1.
Is it 1?
4.
4.
Mama, don't you say 4?
Huh? Bakit mo? Look more.
I want my fishy. I want my fishy.
Dapat hinuli ko si Boy Bawang niya.
I want my fish.
Here. Itong roller coaster.
Huh?
Try natin to. Cheddar cheese. Di ba kanina mayroon
Potato ring.
potato rings? Si Holly.
More?
More? No, sharing is what?
But I have enough.
No, you had enough. Ayan yung ano niya, oh, laman.
Smell.
Smell.
Lemon.
Wait.
It's like 20.
They're very tiny. Show it, Sak, how tiny it is. Yan, ang liit niya nga.
You can fit your finger in it.
Meron pa palang tayong itatry. So now when we go to the Philippines, you know what you're gonna get when we go to the sari-sari store.
It's
What?
right near. No.
Ayan, namatay kayo, yes.
It's right near Papa's house.
Yeah. May,
And Mom.
may sari-sari dun sa ano nila Papa.
I like
Malapit. You like this?
Yeah, me too.
So 5. Holly, how about you?
Have you tried it?
Did you try this? Try this.
Baba. One.
So, solid siya kay Boy Bawang.
Rocky likes it.
You had it. You share.
Baba. Baba.
No, sharing is what? Yeah, wait.
Baba.
You have to try.
You got a prawn.
Dapat sinuli natin yung si Boy Bawang. Eto muna. Eto yung last na doon kay, kay Simply Race na bigay. Eto yung piatos.
When we practice,
I have. I've
Yeah.
tried it in Dad's car. Oh no.
Na-try na rin nila ito, pero ipaparate natin sa kanila. Holy, you're dropping all the bawang.
Oh.
No, stop!
I'm hungry, Luffy.
How you try?
Mm.
It's this.
Ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya si Boy Bawang.
No.
Hey, here, try this.
I ate this.
Wala. No, how you gonna rate this?
Huh?
You like this?
I
5
like it.
daw. Ang taas nila
Mama.
mag-rate.
Mama?
You try.
I don't.
Five.
5.
Mom, you said 5.
5? Okay, good girl.
Mom, how come people didn't? Other people didn't crunch.
Huh?
Like that.
Crunchy.
Yeah, like that. What people do? And I can only like that.
Yeah.
You like it?
I wonder why that I can't hear it when I go like that noise.
Tuwang-tuwa sila kasi very crunchy.
It's more there.
Hoy, that's enough. Here.
How much fish?
Okay, yung pinakahihintay ni Zach. Unahin na natin si... Ito yung nabili ko. Owishi. Yung prawn crackers. Ito yung regular, hindi siya yung... Meron kasi yung spices, so ayan.
Is it spicy?
Kaya.
Mom, we've got there's 3 of these.
Not afraid. Just 2. The other one is spicy lang. Ito favorite ko to. 5.
In a bush. See, Mom?
Huh?
In a bush.
Oh, how are you gonna rate this one, Holly? Kuya's rating it 5. How about you? What?
4, 5.
No.
Mom, Holly, 4, 5.
Holly, show them.
5.
5. 5. Mayaman tayo sa ano, ipit. Oo.
He's got the favorite.
Dalawa to, nung binigay sa...
Favorite.
Oh, you spill it. And, eto yung last na junk food.
Oh, you didn't try that one?
I think so. Did you? Ito yung spicy. 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 Smile, sabi ko, smile. Okay.
Just right here.
You have to try. Come on, son. You have to try and rate it, Kuya. Si Holly, tingnan nyo, ha? It's alright, oi. We have to try. Not just you. It's spicy. Tingnan si Holly. Tingnan si Holly. Show them to Holly. Show them how you eat it. Show. Look. You don't like? Ano?
My leg.
What happened to your lip? Huh?
Mom.
1 kay Kuya yung spicy.
I want to eat this.
Oh, wash it down.
I need drink.
Wash it down. Si Sak, you like it, Sak?
No, I need drink.
Oh no.
How are you gonna rate this? Are you sure it's 5 for you?
1.
1 for Kuya. Sa aking 5. Yung bawang na kasi yung inuuna nila. And meron tayong... Ito pa pala yung last. Binuksan ko na to kasi akong laging kumakain nito. Yung chocolate.
Holly!
Ayan, honey. Huli natin to para dessert. Holly, oh! Wash. Maanghang yung ano.
I don't want.
Trust you, but
Okay.
Baba.
Baba, oh, chocolate. Si Boy Bawang talaga siya. Loyal siya kay...
I don't want here.
Ito, favorite ko to. Di ba dati, choco
What?
to?
Chocolate?
Si Sak, gusto niya to. Ay, siya. Yura?
Want chocolate? Want chocolate?
Okay.
Yeah.
Why you like that, Sak?
Huh?
I eat right here.
Oh, how you gonna eat it, Holly? Show it to them. How you gonna? Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
so you're messy.
Oh, Saki, you're messy. Sino mo? Oh, 5. Favorite nila to eh.
Don't eat this.
Ito mo si Holly. Holly, how you gonna rate that one?
Just 2 more.
Oh, I love this. So, yun na guys yung aming...
Open that.
Ay, open. Opo ka
Mom,
muna
was
ko.
that the last one?
This is the last one. No more, that's it. And, abangan nyo yung ano, eto na yung last namin sa ano, eto na yung last sa ano, Filipino snacks. What can you say about what can you say about the Filipino snacks?
Good. Good.
Everything's...
Except 1.
Which one? Which one? Ano ba nga? Alin yung ayaw ni Sak? Yung renate niyang one. Which one?
Which one did you go for 4?
Which one, Sak? Nakalimutan ko na. Alin yun?
That chip. Like, it's where? Like,
Which one?
not that one.
Say thank you.
Thank you. And fry.
And abangan nyo yung aming... Hoy! Nag-exit ka na?
My God!
Ano? Nag-exit ka na, dala-dala niya si Boy Bawang at si Choknat, oh. Abangan nyo yung aming Tokyo treat. So sabi ko, unahin muna namin yung Filipino snacks bago namin yung buksan. So yeah, thank you! Bye! Say bye! Bye! Say thank you! Okay, bye guys!
Paradise, tell me who you seek.